Hello friends, welcome to Bitasta's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kadha at home. Some people know what Kadha is and some don't. So for those who don't know, basically it is a combination of few spices which help in giving relief when you have sore throat or cough and cold. This is basically a home remedy. And let me tell you that this is not a complete cure. If you feel you have to see a doctor, you must go ahead. This is just short of getting immediate relief, and if you take this 3 times a day, like morning, afternoon and evening before food, it's really very effective. So the ingredients required are crushed ginger, black pepper powder, crushed cardamom, 2 or 3 bay leaves, few cloves, honey and water. The process of making it is very simple. Just boil 1 cup of water and then add crushed ginger, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, 3 crushed cardamom, 3 bay leaves and 2-3 cloves to the boiling water, and then wait till the water boils and reduces to half. At this point, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, stir it well and turn off the gas. Finally, transfer this to a cup with the help of a sieve and slowly take it sip by sip. So this is how you can make Kadha at home. It's very good for health. When you get cough or cold or sore throat, give this a go and definitely you'll feel better. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button below and please do subscribe my channel. See you again. Bye bye.